Well, the exhibition started with an invitation, or a proposal, I should say, from the Goethe-Institut to present Julian Rosefeldt's famous Manifesto work, 13-channel video installation with Cate Blanchett, reading manifestos from the 20th century. We thought it was a great idea, and it was also a great idea not only to present the work, but to use it as an opportunity to present works from our collection that respond to manifestos in one form or another. It was a very condensed time to put up such an immense show because it expands over 16,000 square feet. What the research into this exhibition has showed us is that there was, at the beginning of the 20th century, an era of manifestos, a time of the manifestos. It was a rapid-fire succession of manifestos by the futurists in Italy, and then by the Dada artists in Berlin, in Cologne, in France, like numerous manifestos, and the surrealists, and then the rationalist, sort of objective, geometric kind of art that we saw in the 20s and 30s, also writing their manifestos, and after the war, a number of manifestos to reassess the state of the world and the role of art within it. More and more artists saying, we have to wake up. Art is not just about the market, it's not just about money, it's not just about pleasing a wealthy elite. It is about meaning, it is about agency, it is about responding to the world and the history in the making. What I truly find extraordinary in Julian's work is how he embraces the various fields of creation. Of course, it's extraordinary filmmaking with an immense encyclopedic understanding of the nature, the language, and the history of filmmaking. We understand from the reactions that we've had that people love the show, not just because there's color on the wall, but because there are these extraordinary works and this incredible manifesto piece by Julian Rosefeldt. So it's a very diversified exhibition experience.
Nothing is original, okay? So you can steal from anywhere that resonates with inspiration and fuels your imagination, okay?